Welcome, today in front of me TCL 205 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box. And here we can see the headphones, the USB cable. This is the micro USB cable. The charger brick with the specs here, with all of the specs, and also I have here the SIM eject tool and a lot of just paperwork, so like the quick start guides, the safety guides, and the warranty cards here. So that's it, that all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.